It was a stormy night. Outside the bedroom window, the wind wasn't just blowing, it was howling. Boom! From across the room, little 2-year-old Zerry let out a frightened
Addy!
cry.
Scary!
Don't cry, it is okay.
Hearing his little sister crying, his big brother instincts kicked in. He grabbed his trusty glow-in-the-dark dinosaur toy, which cast a faint green light, and walked right towards Zerry's crib. Five-year-old Addy was scared, too. In the dark, the shadows on the wall looked like giant wiggling monsters. He knew just what to do.
Don't worry, Zerry. Captain Addy is here.
Zerry stopped crying. She wasn't scared anymore.
I love it. So much, so much. Thank you.
You are welcome, Zerry.
Zerry patted Addy's hair. Then she handed her favorite plush
For you,
elephant
brother.
to Addy. She wanted to keep her big brother safe too. Addy held her hand tight through the bars. After making his sister asleep, he went to his bed and had a good night. They weren't scared at all anymore because they had each other.
If you want to see more of our stories, subscribe to our channel.
Zerry TV!